Deputy Inspector General of Police Kong A. Claudia Lingwa, habayakran syakilar pathai Khubor, kasan tarik uleber hajar pusau, kalaya thu hadin baki pulit kila kem ya uba Storgy lingdo, udakot ke HNLC, hakastep jang ka tarik uleber, na ying sa jang na maulenre, ki pulit kidang penlong ya kajing tokit. Lengba ka mobile phone jang uba Storgy lingdo, ki pulit kila lab ba udon kti bandawa pisa na kiriu shimet. Kakong lengwa ko ongru. Balada ukwa shisha ban Pyndem waj. Uladei ban sa ha Shillong, henrei ula Rung lami. Lalet lawan man kateng hapadeng ka India bat Bangladesh. Kalau ongru, ka jingwan rung tu ujung usha Meghalaya, kala pen artatin bat pen suba, bala bandon ka Asia lendat jong kane ka jingle jong uni urang ba.
The HNLC, as you all know, from a government side, the initiative is always there from the very beginning. Until date, our doors are also still open for peace talks with the HNLC. So, if you all are curious, recently there was a arrest of the HNLC cadre, Storgy, who had sneaked from Bangladesh. And if you recall, he was also part of the peace talk when the members had come over to talk with the government. And unfortunately, it was learned from credible information that he had sneaked back from Bangladesh, and he was finally arrested by the East Khasinews police. And from his mobile phone only we learned that there has been a lot of extortion and demands made on a lot of people. So in this particular case, there is nothing from our side that this peace talk will not continue. It will still continue, and our doors are always open.
There was this video by reports that Storgy sneak into Meghalaya to surrender. Is that
the person had gone to Bangladesh, and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the way. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding.
Can you tell us about the firepower and the strength, manpower strength of the HNLC?
As of date, from the knowledge that we have, the strength of the cadres are barely 20 to 30.
And the weapons?
Weapons, we will not be able to say what kind of weapons they have over there, but as of here, I think they have very little weapons with them.
So the operations will continue despite the government's initiative for talks?
No, these are not operations. We never initiated anything. If somebody commits a crime, whether it is HNLC or any other normal person, the law will take some course.
From Storgy account, how many demand notes were served to people?
No. There was no demand note served by him to the people, but from his phones, a lot of contact numbers was open and seen, and they were all demands to various people, business people. The question of surrender doesn't arise. They're already in a peace talk. So we are talking with them, and the ball is always open. We have never ever expressed any unwillingness. We have been always there to talk. No, when it comes to demand notes, why are you only looking at HNLC? There are lots of kinds of people who does serve, whether that is HNLC demand note, whether these things, it's just crime, You cannot pinpoint on any particular organization.
But recently, only the HNLC demand note has come.
But nobody has reported. That is the problem. We are only hearing over social media, but as of date, there's only one single report, and in this one single report, we have acted upon it. Whatever is floating in the social media, that's just social media. But whoever has supposedly got these demand notes have never reported to us. So then how will we act on it? No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end. But if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them. No, everybody is liable. You see, if you are donating or you are contributing or you whatever excuse you can make, you will still be liable because at the end of the day, that is against the law. See, DG sir has already spoken the kind of work that the police have been doing. We will do all, our job is policing. And whatever information that comes to us, we act straight away. That itself should instill confidence in the people. From the time that the HNLC had started in Meghalaya, the police have worked endlessly. We have sacrificed so many police lives in this fight. So that itself, and the way the eastern part of the state is as of today, I'm sure that is, you can see the amount of tourists that are coming. All this has changed the face of Meghalaya. So that is because the police have actually put in a lot of hard work, and we have also sacrificed police lives in this. That should instill enough confidence, I think, in all people.